In this video, we'll see how to create stock items, units of measurement, and stock groups in TallyPrime. So this screen is called Gateway of Tally, and I'll go to create. Here I have an option to create the group, ledger, all of that here. And in inventory masters, I have the option to create stock group, stock category, stock item, unit, and go down. So now I want to create stock. First, I want to create unit here. So I'll just click on unit, and let's say we have a business of softwares, right? That's what we have. So let's say the symbol would be numbers because people buy softwares from us in numbers. The formal name would be numbers, and here I would select numbers. Number of decimal places, generally nobody buys softwares in fractions, so I would keep it as 0. But in case you have a garment business and somebody is into clothing business and they sell 1.5 meters of cloth, then you can have decimal places of 1, 2 depending on your use case. And I'll say control A. So this unit is saved. Now we'll go back to stock item, and here I have to uh, create a stock item. So I'll say item 1, and this here I can also give a alias name. So alias, how it can be used is in case you want to sell it as an item 1 in front to your customers, but in your purchase bill say it is called item XYZ. So you can write that name here in item alias so that you can find the name, find the item with both the names. And then coming to the groups, so here under, so you have to create the groups here. So in case you this is the primary item what you have, you can just keep it as primary. But if you want to create uh, separate group, you can do it here. Two groups will come separately. So I'll go to primary and then units. Since we have created only one unit, so only one is seen here. In case you want to create more, you can just click on create here and create more. I'll say numbers, and then GST, whether it's applicable or not. To this case it's applicable, so I'll say applicable. In case I select it as not applicable, I do not see any features below of asking me for HSN code or the rate. But since I've selected applicable, so now it'll ask me what are the HSN and GST details. So here I can select it as per company or stock group, where whatever I've given in the group, it is applicable to the item. But if I want to specify details here, I can do that as well. Specify details here, and HSN, let's say it's uh, 998313, and description is software. And in GST rate also same way, I can either leave it for the stock group to decide, or I can tell specify details here. Then it's taxable, then it's 18%, and it's services. So when I say in this option, when I have an option of specify as per company stock, so here since I've selected primary, it will not work. But if I have created a stock group and I select the stock group, whatever settings I do for the stock group automatically are applicable for this stock item. Now I'll go back, and in case you have any opening stock, you can enter the quantity here 50 and say rate is 200. Or if you want to skip the rate, and you can put the value directly, it will be automatically picked, and I'll say enter yes. So in the same way, I'll come back, and we can also create godowns here. So in case you have godowns, you can create godowns here. And then we have stock group. So here, if I want to make it as say uh, retail softwares and wholesale software, say for example I have two category of stocks that I want to maintain, and then here I can specify all the details, and in case I specify details here, automatically it will be picked in all the items wherever I select retail software as a group. And I'll say yes. Yeah. So to see what all we have created, I'll go to alter, and if I go to stock item, you can see that we have created only one stock item. If I go to unit, we can see we have created only one unit, that is numbers. And if I go to stock group, I can see only one stock group which has been created called retail softwares. So this is the way in which we can create stock group, stock item, unit, go down, and stock category. Thank you so much.